Hey guys, this is Satish from MSIT Park. So in this session we are going to discuss speech recognition project. Just follow me. It is very simple and easy. To do this project we need to install two packages. One is speech recognition and another one is PyAudio. Okay, let's get started. Install speech recognition package and then run this command. Give your administrative password and then install PyAudio package. Okay, almost we are done. Now go to your file current directory. Okay, open terminal and run your Python file. Hello guys, can you hear me? Yeah, see here we got successfully output. Hello guys, can you hear me? Yeah, it is recognized our voice. So means we have done our project successfully. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.